Where did you come from? Did somebody drop you off, puppy?